Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make real miso soup. Begin by making a clean dashi using kombu and katsuobushi, simmering gently and straining carefully. Warm the stock without boiling to preserve flavor and enzymes. Prepare your additions like tofu, wakame, and green onions while the dashi rests. Dissolve miso paste using a ladle and a small bowl to avoid clumps, then fold it into the warm stock and serve immediately. In this video, I will explain how to select miso paste for authentic soup and how to balance flavors. Taste white miso for gentle sweetness and red miso for bolder, saltier notes, or combine both to achieve nuance. Use a small amount at first, then adjust to taste rather than oversalting. Always dissolve miso off direct heat to maintain probiotics, and add delicate ingredients last to keep texture and color bright. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation that pairs nicely with cooking at home. If you are enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes following recipes and storing cookbooks effortless, and it's great for kitchen timers and hands-free reading. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you time your ingredients for perfect texture and flavor. Prepare tofu, wakame, and vegetables ahead so they go in at the right moment, keeping tofu silky and wakame slightly chewy. Add quick cooking items last and warm them through without boiling the soup after miso is added. Finish with green onions or a tiny splash of sesame oil for aroma, and taste once more before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.